Uy, hindi mo i-honor sarili mo, no?
Ano bang klase?
Hindi, dinadala niya daw yung laundry.
Sabi sa akin ni Hepe, guni-guni mo lang yan.
Okay. Hindi na mauuna ka pa.
Huli na lang, isa lang yung anak ko.
Okay ko na.
I don't know.
Anak ko don't screw up at the next reading.
You
wrote the wrong reading today. Practice. Lecture kasi ako ngayon, second reading. Yung napagnawi kay Father. Gospel. Sabi ni Brother JJ sa akin kanina, Brad, nagawang mo naman trabaho sa Father.
Brad, sana sila nung aga nung bakala ko akong pari ngayon.
I like it because I guess life with the family, my dad, his family comes first. Except I guess if both of you need to go to the bathroom, he'll always go first.
Hari ka pa lang ng trono, ha?
Sabi ng anak ko, saan ba nakatira si Lord? Doon sa taas. Hindi. Kala ko sa bathroom eh. Kasi sa umaga pagkapapalo, God! Sabi niya, ayon, God, open the door!
Next Rio.
Wala kang lalapit dito.
Okay, Dad. The apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. And when you're
Oh, no.
Good thing, Sarah, good thing.
Good thing?
Oh, good thing.
That's hard. Okay. When you call me up again to pick it up, I don't know.
Grounded na.
Okay, then you make good stuff at the house, like beds that are too tall, painted walls that you painted like 4 times.
That's what that's for.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Daddy's Gorian.
Daddy's Gorian.
Isha, you have been the most awesomest, mindfulest, sweetest, smartest I've ever
Isha, what did you ask for your dad? Isha, what did you ask for your dad?
What do you want, Isha? From the woman that knows this man the best.
From head to toe.
Sabihin ko sa'yo.
Ay, good thing, Sarah.
Walang planggana, ha?
Oo. Well, siguro yung mabigat na nangyari sa amin when Ronald was assigned to Eastern Europe na dun ko na feel na wala talaga si Ronald. Kasi nung dati, very handy. Ronald, gawa mo to.
Doctor. I'm doing video. It's okay.
Pinasubok sa amin ni Lord John for us to realize how hard it is without romance.
And nobody fought at the house anymore. Everything was peaceful.
Happy Father's Day!
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir. Do you have a permit for this camera? I'm afraid I have to.